like that undercarriage. Perfect. When it's warm outside and the air conditioning's going and you want pizza, the last thing you want to do is fire up the oven in your kitchen. There's another option. I've got two solutions. One, I've done a video on it before that you can put inside your grill, and it works. It can only take a 10 to 12 inch pizza. We like bigger pizzas. Therefore, we have to go big. And this is our grill pizza oven. It works great. Let's get into the details and then we'll demo it for you. And I'll tell you what, once you've used a pizza steel in a combination like this, you'll want to do this in the snow, in the rain, instead of cooking pizza in your kitchen. This works just as well with homemade pizzas or store-bought pizzas. Try out both and tell me what you think. This is a gas grill. You could use an egg if you had it. Do some charcoal, but we're using gas. The gas is so much different than an electric oven because it circulates the heat, kind of pizzas you get in old Italy. And when you want to do your regular grilling, take the steel out, put it to the side, hot dogs and hamburgers, steaks, chicken, and then when that's done, clean up the grill, slide this back on, and your pizza oven is back in business in a matter of minutes. I'd love to have a dedicated pizza oven, big one with the dome, but those cost thousands of dollars. This setup could run you under $100. Well, that might be too expensive for some, and that's the case. You can go to this option. It's relatively inexpensive, but I tell you what, it's worth it. Here's the setup for the grill. Pizza stone on top, oven bricks or fire bricks, 6 on each side, and then the pizza steel. We got cornmeal from the last time we cooked pizza. And then what I do is I fire up 1, 2, 3 of the burners, get this up to about 550, and then slide the pizza in. The pizza stone is sitting on the bun warmer rack and is pushed all the way back to the wall of the grill. Then for the pizza steel, there's about a 1/2 inch gap on either side, 1.5 inch gap in the back, with the thought being the heat from the burners heats up the pizza, is contained by these bricks, filters in, provides heat over the top and underneath the pizza stone that you saw sitting here. Take coarse cornmeal to put the pizza on so that it slides cleanly off the steel. Put your pizza on like that. Right around 500. And then close it up. Set the timer for 1 minute to 2 minutes, depending on how thin your crust is and how small the pizza is. The temperature will go down a little bit, but it'll come right back up. Timer's triggered. We'll pause it, go in there, get the pizza, rotate it 90 degrees each time. The bottom's starting to firm up. Set the timer for 1 minute. If your pizza is sticking a little bit to the steel, add a bit more cornmeal next time you go under and rotate it to reduce the chances of sticking. We're at the 4-minute mark. Check the undercarriage, looks pretty good. Probably 1 or 2 more rotations and we'll be done. All right, another minute gone. Just gonna rotate it again. Let it go. There's the finished product. Whoa, don't want to lose it. There's the finished product, looks great. Time for the next one. Here's a technique one of my kids came up with. So you can just rotate it by pivoting the pizza peel. Sometimes that's easier than grabbing the crust. On your last pizza, you could just shut off the grill. The residual heat will be enough to keep it going. Don't let it burn. Look at that, perfect. And now it's gonna start raining. If it's not raining, you can keep the top up, help the heat dissipate, and then make sure you scrape off all the cornmeal that's in there from last time so burnt cornmeal isn't part of your new pizza. But that's about as good as it gets. Thumbs up and comments, always appreciated. Thanks for watching. If you're interested in all sorts of cooking ideas, concepts, and designs, making and breaking things, designs of all kinds, home repairs, I even do costumes, cosplay, and props. Check out my channel and please subscribe because you never know what pizza cooking idea you're gonna see.